Welcome to Pimpy's Investment Chat, where we keep investment talk simple. And here's your host, Pimpy.
What is going on out there, peeps? All right. So, you ever get a feeling like you're being played when it comes to gold and silver? I know I do. The fact that China is trying to buy up a ton of gold and silver, both right now, and are doing it at a pretty good dang price, if you ask me. So, we know JP Morgan's biggest client is China. It is. A lot of central banks right now are bulking up on gold. So that's why I'm saying don't ever pay attention to the spot market price. Do what they're doing. Buy more. And you guys know I have this alternative website. Go on over there and check it out because there's a lot of information in there you really need to hear. Wall Street Silver. That's our buddies over there on Wall Street Silver. Go give them some love and support. Check them out. They got their own YouTube channel as well as their own Reddit page. The links for both are down below in the description. All right, here's what's going on in the market. It's pretty crazy. It's been green, a whole lot of green lately. Cryptos are going to start to run, you guys. My friend I told you had this prediction, and I thought it was kind of crazy, but it sounded legit. And now we see experts coming out saying almost the same thing. I was like, wow, there might be something to this. Is this going to convince me to get in on this ride? Will I go back into cryptos? I don't trust them. I don't trust them. I see a much bigger thing going on. Having said that, I don't know. If they can be consistent here, who knows? Maybe I get back in them. That shouldn't stop you from being diversified. I just have my own opinions when it comes to cryptocurrencies. Let's see. Bitcoin's getting ready to, well, it keeps trying to anyways, break that 50,000 resistance level. Ethereum. Oh, buddy, look at you. You're not that far off of your all-time high. Look at it, about 500 away. It'll get there. So meanwhile, what I've decided to do, I told you I have some discretionary fund because if all of these run, so will the other altcoins, because we are going into altcoin season, you guys. You know this. Pay attention to the change percentage. That's what you're looking for. Solana, 14% increase. 14% increase on your money. Bitcoin only has 2.2. Ethereum, 1.2%. Cardano, 4.6. Anyways, I've been playing around with these cheaper cryptos, because if they're going to have an increase, they're more likely to have huge increases. So Sandbox is one of them, but it was at $1.15 when I was playing with it. It's down to 99 cents. Shiba just, I don't know. It just sits there. It's kind of boring, to be quite honest with you. Veracity is the one I've been playing with. Veracity was at like 2.53 cents, or it's actually about 3 cents. And it's up past that. Now you can see it's 4 cents, 22 keeps going. So going from 3 cents to 4 cents, I'm still in there. And I got a lot of these little shares. So my thought is I'll buy these cheaper coins, really cheesy ones. And if they go up with the rest of the coins, any real change in the value will be a huge gain. Don't you get it? Just throwing it out there. That's what I'm doing. And yes, you could buy these on KuCoins. Veracity's on there. Shiba's on there. Sandbox is on there. XRP is on there as well. So am I playing around with cryptocurrencies? Yeah, I am right now, just a little bit, but I'm not, really investing in them. Well, I guess you could say that, but my thing is I'm playing with them. It's more like poker. I'm just taking a gamble. If I'm going to invest in anything, it definitely will be in Ethereum.
Are you kidding me, man?
What, are you kidding me?
You're kidding me. You gotta be kidding me.
Are you kidding me? I mean, are you kidding me?
Are you kidding me?
You gotta be kidding me.
You gotta be kidding me.
You gotta be kidding me.
You're kidding me.
You're kidding me.
No. I'm telling you, I don't trust cryptos. But that doesn't mean I'm not going to play with the smaller ones. What the heck do I have to lose? I mean, again, if you can go over there to, like I said, look at Sandbox or even on, Shiba. Or Shiba's not on this one, but Shiba. I mean, the coins are not even 1 cent. So for $100, you get like 1 million shares. What the heck? You never know. So anyways, playing with the cheaper ones because this is altcoin season. I'm just going to leave my money in it. I got about 1,000 in the Veracity just sitting there. Let's see what happens. I'm going to let it play out. If it jumps from where it's at about, 4 cents? So, it could get up and get me 10,000 off a coin this small with $1,000 increase. All right, that's just me playing. That's it. No, nothing else is going on. But all my money, as you guys know, are into gold and silver. Gold is still around the $1,800 mark. They're not allowed that to get nowhere. Silver, every time it tries to go anywhere, it gets smashed down. Again, can't help but feel JP Morgan is their biggest client is China. And right now, everybody knows that China's on a huge buy-in spree. Because they're going to the go back dollar. Yeah, they're going to force everybody else to do the same thing. Around 11 billion in gold was smuggled into India last year. Stashed inside wigs, jeans, and shoes. That's before they allowed their citizens to start buying it again. Yeah, they outlawed it. They just now started allowing them to buy it again. But before then, 11 billion in gold was smuggled back and forth. Apparently, they thought having gold was important, or their leaders are encouraging them to buy gold and silver. So these people got caught smuggling in gold. That's what happens. They got their gold taken away because they broke the law.
Respect my authority!
Yes, you got to respect the authority. I don't think so. Not when it comes to gold and silver. The government has allowed them to start buying it, and they have been buying up a storm. So keep that in mind. It's also contributing to the shortage of the precious metals market. There's the fact now you got 1.6 billion people now allowed to go ahead and buy it if they can. China's encouraging their citizens, 1.4 billion, to start buying. Meanwhile, over here in commie United States, you don't hear anything from our leaders telling us to invest in this. They're too busy chasing after people with fake vaccine cards. Yeah, that's a thing, by the way. Hey, folks, just a quick reminder that back in 2008 and 9, a lot of people lost all of their retirement savings in their 401ks and IRAs because they did not own gold and silver. Yeah, that's right. Gold and silver protects you from a market crash. So do yourself a favor. Protect your retirement by purchasing gold and silver. You can go to moneymetals.com, reach out to them, and they will help you set yourself up to protect you and your family from having to start all over from scratch. If you're a first-time buyer and you spend more than $100, use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and they will send along with your order a free half ounce of silver. So folks, do yourself a favor, head on over to moneymetals.com and protect you and your family from a market crash, as well as inflation. Getting into Bitcoin, look at this. Technical analysis expects Bitcoin bull run will peak in October and predicts altcoins will triple if Bitcoin hits 100,000. Yikes, can it? I mean, it hit 64,000. Why can't it? Here we go. And it didn't drop that. Well, it did drop a little bit, but it came right back and settled around 40,000. Can it run? It could run. Again, I think this is a sucker's bet, but if you have an opportunity to throw some discretionary funds in there, then do it. Take a chance. Me, I'm going to bet on the little coins and hope that they gain. To me, every little gain that they make is a good one. I'm just going to stick to the little ones. And when the dust settles, I do think there's going to be some coins selling. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the two that I think is going to be there. I don't think anything's going to get past Ethereum. I think Ethereum eventually will catch and pass Bitcoin up, because Bitcoin really, outside of just outside investors using it as a store of wealth, there's nothing else going on with Bitcoin. But it seems like everything I talk to people about different cryptos, come to find out that everything is being ran on the Ethereum platform. So what happened? Kevin Wadsworth, technical analysis and co-founder of the North Star and Bad Charts, has predicted that Bitcoin bull market will reach its peak in October. In an interview with Kitco on Monday, Wadsworth said he believes that the crypto bull run will likely conclude before the end of the year. By the way, it's a little suspicious because by the end of the year is when we're expected sometime, some way to be pushed into this 100% digital currency. This is also around the time that we get pushed into the gold standard by China. As they get close to Winter Olympics, they're going to start pushing out the digital yuan. In addition to that, the Basel III should finally, for the lender market, be implemented, since they gave them a reprieve until January. So it's around the same time. So buy up gold and silver is what I recommend. Anyway, this is an interview. Says that they believe it'll hit there during the bull market. We'll get 100,000. All the crypto charts I've been looking at, drawing and looking at, vary a little bit in timing between the third week of September and some of them perhaps in the middle of October or even late October. So sometime, is what they're saying, is you'll start to see the peak or start towards the end of September, which is this month. End of next month, that seems like a short run if you ask me. Usually keeps on going. So there's this sort of 4-week window there between the late September and October where I'd be looking for the crypto bull market. I think it's starting now. It looks like it's been pretty consistent, and there's a reason for that. So they're thinking 100,000 between now and the end of next month for Bitcoin. It's very possible, you guys. Genesis Digital Asset acquires 20,000 Bitcoin miners. Nice. US-based Genesis Digital Asset announced early today that it had acquired 20,000 Bitcoin miners. The acquisition comes as the company seeks to expand its cryptocurrency mining operation and became one of the leading industry's players in North America. So yeah, that's cool. But I did say that once they got up and they were running again, you would see an increase in the cryptocurrencies because it was around the time that China shut everything down that the cryptocurrencies took a pretty good hit. And I said once they got back up, you would see things start to crank back up as far as cryptocurrencies are concerned. And lo and behold, yeah, Bitcoin hash rate's almost back at April levels. Once they're up, we'll see what happens. That's my prediction. Bitcoin hash rate has undertaken an outstanding recovery from the Chinese government's crypto mining ban, which saw a mass exodus of more than 65% of active Bitcoin mining rigs 3 months ago. The hash rate is effectively a measure of how many miners are actively searching for a hash on the Bitcoin network. So there it is. We're up and running here in the United States. We're almost back up to April levels. Mining companies will start doing their things. With looks to me like if anything, cryptocurrencies took one of the biggest hits it could and is slightly recovering. Maybe it is a good time to get back into cryptocurrencies.
This guy, are you kidding me?
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 You kidding me?
Are you kidding me?
But you're kidding me or what?
Nope, I'm not kidding. Look, it's not a matter of flip-flopping. My overall feeling on cryptocurrencies is this. I love and support the idea behind it. I just don't trust our government. Look what happened in China. They outlawed cryptocurrencies. India is talking about it right now. I don't push it past our own government to do the same thing. They're not going to allow anything to compete with their dollars unless they find a way to control it themselves. To me, cryptocurrencies were just a way to indoctrinate people into their, central bank digital coin. I could be wrong. So again, invest at your own risk. Cryptocurrencies look like they're going to be fun for the next few months. That doesn't mean I'm going to cash in all my gold and silver. Nope, that's not going to happen. Cryptocurrencies, moving again. I'm playing with these little ones, using discretionary funds. Right now, the one I'm playing with the most is Veracity. It's already over 4 cents. When I got in, it was only 3 cents. I've already gained more than 25% on my investment, $1,250. Shiba is still dirt cheap, but they just are boring. I've been looking at the charts. It doesn't move very much. It's another one of the meme coins. You know what I mean? Anyways, I'm sure I'll hear crap from all those crypto investors saying, you're flip-flopping. No, I'm not. I'm just saying to you, if it is a good time to invest, now is that time when it comes to cryptocurrencies. All right? Because of the hash rates increasing, it's altcoin season, and they're just going to keep you distracted from buying gold and silver because China's trying to keep it cheap as hell. Still around $1,800 for gold, below $24 for silver. Man, we should do a silver squeeze right now. So shout out to Wall Street Silver. Don't you guys agree? Chris Marcus, you guys, time for another silver squeeze. That's just my opinion. Anyways, that's it for now, you guys. Man, hit the thumbs up button if you're not a subscriber. Please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I surely do appreciate it. And I'll catch you later. I'm out.